Someone has rightly said कि जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. Hello everyone, I am Sunanda Mahapatra, counseling psychologist, BJM School, Bhubaneswar. The purpose of making this video is to address COVID-19, its profound impact, and most importantly, how young adults of our society can keep themselves calm, focused, and safe during this time. Can you imagine a person driving a vehicle at high speed without having brake facility in it? Highly risky, isn't it? Similarly, this period of youth is full of powerful energies. So having proper knowledge to use them in right manner can make you highly successful. Every day, in fact, every single moment, we are loaded with lots of information related to this virus. Repeated exposure, thinking, discussion, sharing same type of messages to others can create a state of fear, anxiety, nervousness, and other negative energies. It is good to accumulate any new or important information to keep us safe or updated. But if that is causing more harm, then we definitely need to check and filter them. More than this coronavirus that is present outside, the greatest virus is present within us. Studies say people die more out of fear of snake bite, though that is not venomous. That means the state of our mind can make us efficient or inefficient in a given situation. Let's understand this concept in a very simple manner. I have used a very famous and beautiful quote of Mahatma Gandhi ji, which is very relevant to our life and the outcomes we get in our life. Please have a look at this. Our belief creates our thoughts. Our thoughts create our words. Our words become our actions. Our actions become our habits. Then our habits become our values. Finally, the values that we carry make us to reach at our destination. More than reality, it is our belief system behind the damages in our life. So if you want to change any unpleasant outcomes in your life, then replace your old negative beliefs with positive, energetic, and helpful beliefs. I will share with you 10 powerful techniques that you can use as instruments to deal with any difficult situations in your life. Number 1, I can statement. The word can has a very big role to experience achievements in our life. The more you inspire yourself by saying you are a strong and powerful person, you can deal with any challenges in your life. You can protect yourself from any difficulties, negative discussions, negative energies. Number 2, seek the truth. Usually we draw conclusions and react with incomplete or wrong information. So I will suggest to prefer always to see the whole picture before coming to any decision. Number 3, seek perfection. The belief of being perfect is so dangerous that confine our ability to rectify our mistake and improve ourselves. So focus on being a better person by choosing better action, by thinking better and trying to become a better version of yourself. Number 4, spread positive energy. The value of positive energy can never be ignored. More than anything in this world, everyone needs this. So, as much as possible, try to spread positive energy to others. Number 5, never compare. More than self, we show more interest in others' life, their achievements, their failures, and so on. So, shift your attention from others to self. Try to do self analysis, accept your mistake, and work upon them to improve. Number 6, belongingness. Nothing is insignificant in this world. Always believe that you are an important part of this society. So choose your actions consciously, give your best, and perform your responsibilities. Believe me, you can definitely make a difference. Number 7. Keep yourself engaged. Where physical activities keep us healthy and fit, proper mental activities help us to understand the reality and make good choices. So always engage yourself your entire day in good activities with proper plans and actions. Divide your whole day like I have done here: personal time, professional time, social time, and family time. Spend some time for yourself. Spend some time to strengthen your professional skills and qualities. Always remember to be grateful towards the society. So never forget to do something for your society and community. Finally, find some time to take care of your family members, their health, their emotions, etc. Number 8. Mind is an instrument. So learn to play it in proper manner. Choose to feed right fuel to it. You will see miracles in your life. Number 9. Always find some time to express your gratitude towards others, towards your family members, friends, teachers, society, and everyone else around you who have done something and played significant role in your life. Number 10 and the last one is ask for help. Remember, no one is a superhuman in this world. Recognize your feelings, your emotions, the changes happening in your life. Whenever you feel like asking for help, never hesitate. Believe me, you are more than what you think about yourself. Always go for right actions, right decisions. Make some great stories in your only life that you have got. Inspire the world. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.